Hey, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. My name is Jason Miller, founder and CEO of the Strategic Advisor Board. And today we are going to talk about how to be adaptable to change and how to grow as a leader. Okay. So, instead of just making assumptions that you know everything, which is complete crap if you're that person, that you think you know everything, how about let's start with setting a goal of being adaptable and open to learning. How about we start there? Okay. None of us know everything. And if you think you do, go look in the mirror because you're full of yourself and you're full of shit. Okay. So openness to change puts you in a better position to successfully run your company. Okay. This is especially important during periods of economic restructuring, which if you haven't figured it out, we're in that time right now. And also when you may need to pivot resources or business operations to accommodate the change in the economy, that's happening. Okay. Staying open-minded to new opportunities and new ways of doing business will also help you and your company as a whole grow over time as well. Okay. If you haven't noticed, all of these little things are happening right now in our economy, that this will drive that adaptability. And you as a leader, as a CEO of a company, whatever it is, you need to be able to change and grow and be adaptable with that, or you're going to get left behind. It's as simple as that. So I hope that was insightful. Maybe that hurt a few people's feelings that were watching today. I could care less. I hope you got something out of it. And, as always, smash the like button, leave a comment. And if there's a specific topic you'd love me to talk about, go ahead and comment it below. Would love to do an episode on it. You can reach out to me at www.strategicadvisorboard.com. And hope you enjoyed today's dose. We'll see you again tomorrow.